In this video, we're going to look at how to retrieve transcripts. There are two key things to understand about transcripts. The first is that at the trial court level, transcripts generally aren't made unless one or more parties request it. So if no parties requested a transcript to be made of a trial court case, then there won't be transcripts for you to find. The second thing to understand is that if there are transcripts, they're included in the docket and you can retrieve them like any other court document. And the way I always recommend retrieving court documents is to start with Bloomberg's docket search. So let's go ahead and do that. In this case, we're going to look for the Central District of California trial court transcripts made on December 16th, 2016 in the trial of Lee Baca. We can go ahead and plug in the docket number right here. However, because docket numbers can repeat between different federal districts, we'll also want to plug in the party name so that we're only getting the docket that's relevant to us. Once you've accessed a docket, the easiest way to get just the transcripts is to go ahead and search transcript. So right here in the keyword box, just put in keyword transcript, and that'll filter all the entries down to only the ones that are transcripts. So remember, we said that we were looking for the transcripts of the trial court hearing that was heard on December 16th, 2016. And you notice when we scroll down that there aren't any entries for that day. That's because transcripts are often going to be listed on the date that the court reporter completed them and filed them with the court, not necessarily on the date where the actual trial was held. So let's continue scrolling down until we see the date that the reporter actually filed these transcripts. And because we're filtered down to only transcripts, it's not that much farther along. If you go down to our March 16th, 2017 entry, you'll see that that's when the December 16th, 2016 transcripts were filed by the court reporter. So let's go ahead and hit request. And you'll notice here that my request was denied. The reason for this is because after transcripts are posted to the federal PACER system, they're actually locked for a month or a couple of months. And during that period of time, the only way to access the transcripts is either to visit the courthouse in person and use a court public terminal, or to actually buy the transcripts directly from the court reporter who made them using the email provided on the docket entry. Eventually, transcripts will be unlocked and will be accessible via PACER, and the docket entry will tell you the date to expect that they're unlocked. So in this case, the transcripts are going to be unlocked on June 14th, 2017. And since today is June 13th, 2017, we can't access these transcripts right now, but we can try again tomorrow and access them then. All right, it's now tomorrow, Wednesday, June 14th, the same date that the docket says that the PACER transcripts will be released. So let's go ahead and try requesting it again now and see if it'll let us access them. And there we go. Now that the lock period has ended, we can go ahead and request and view the transcript of the trial just like we would request and view any other document on PACER or Bloomberg.